Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on topographical map, class 10th geography. Dear students, we have learned in the last few video lecture about topographical map, its importance, and what is topographical map, find of finding of four-figure grid reference and six-figure grid reference. If you don't have concept of this, just visit our YouTube and go through all the videos, last videos, so that concept will be cleared. Dear students, today we are going to discuss very important topic. In this topic, definitely two or three questions will be asked in your examination. So be careful, full and meticulously watch this video. Okay. So today's topic is measurement of distance. In the topographical map, we have so many area and we have to locate and we can easily find in the sheet of map. This is topographical map. As you see in this topographical map, in the blue color, there are so many address location written here. And also you know that there are so many zigzag way and the straight line. If you want to draw from here to here, you can draw a straight line. So if you want to measure distance from, suppose here, Malgaon to Gulabganj, so you can draw a straight line easily here. So you can measure it direct method, that is called method with ruler scale. And if you have to find the distance of Supur river, Sipur Nadi, this is definitely zigzag line here. So pattern of river, the way of road, this is red metal road in the on the topographical map. If anybody asked, if in this examination it will asked, what is the distance in kilometer of the road going through the causeway, then you have to measure with what? Thread, strings. So the strings or thread way, we can say that it is indirect method of measuring distance. So dear students, without wasting our time, just see how to measure a distance. And also in the last of the video, we have to find area of area in a topographical sheet. If you have any pattern, suppose mixed jungle, and it will ask in your examination what is the area of total in this topographical map. So how you can find. So it is very important topic. I repeatedly say that. So keep watching. So dear students, with the help of ruler, with the help of ruler, definitely see in this picture. If you measure distance from here to here, suppose in this Malgaon to Gulabganj. So take a ruler and or a scale, and the initial point of the scale you put in the name of Malegaon, and The last point is Gulabganj. So on your ruler, what is the distance is the actual distance in centimeter. You have to write it in a centimeter, and since centimeter change into meter, so with the help of a scale you can change it. Okay, you had already understood all the things about the scale. If you don't have idea, go to the scale video and watch it. Okay, dear student, with the help of ruler we can find it like that. So definitely it is written like that. Place ruler on the map along with the required line. Note a distance in centimeter between two places. Now use the scale of map and find actual distance on the ground between two places. As you have seen, if you measure the direct distance of the road along with national highway, direct distance of national highway, you have to find it like a point A and B, 6532. This is what? This is four figure grid reference. If you don't have idea of four figure and six figure grid reference, just go through last video and you can easily understand six figure and four figure grid reference. Without knowing four figure and grid reference and six figure grid reference, you don't have idea to read your topographical map. So just go through first. Okay. So dear students, 6532 is the point of A till the post office in the grid of the square 6534. So if you will measure in the following manner, distance of the place between A and B is 3.8. Okay. So 3.8, and given scale is what? 2 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Dear students, at the bottom of the page, scale is written. Just carefully know that what is the scale. After that, you can change it. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. That means if you change in kilometer, centimeter, so 1 centimeter equal to 0.5 kilometer. That means the place between A and B is 3.8 centimeter. Is in kilometer is what? 0.5 into 3.8. That means 1.9 kilometer. I hope this makes sense. Dear students, now about thread. How to measure. First, go through this picture. At the initial point of the area, you can put your thread, and either with the help of any weight uh, you can put the weight on the initial point. After that, one by one, slowly you go through like that, strings or thread here to here, and the last of the point is here. So you can measure it, and when you go to last line, after that you put a notes on the thread or just mark by marker what is the last point. So, and the put the this string in a straight way like this. If you have, if it is a string like where this is the, and you put this a straight thread on your scale, and the length of the scale is measured, length of the string measured with the help of ruler or a scale, and you can find it. You can write, note down what is the area. You have to find what is the distance between these two area of location. I hope it is clear, dear students. Now, how to find or calculate certain area on topographical map. it is very pertinent question and very complex somehow if you don't have idea how to find it out. But after watching this video, I will make you sure that you have knowledge definitely how to find the area of topographical map. So dear students, before I am saying anything, just go through this topographical sheet. Okay, dear, look at this picture. Dear students, in this picture, in this topographical sheet, this is not picture, this is topographical sheet. So this topographical sheet, we have what? This is green area. So we have what? This is the mixed jungle area. And in this area, look at this, the gray color line surrounded area. Dear students, first you see, after that how you can manage all the things, I will tell you. So find the number of complete grid square within the area. Look at this picture. This is complete square. This is complete square. These four are complete square. After that, all of have sum of greater than half, sum of less than half, and in the next in the any other question, definitely or quite possible this is area almost half of the square. So you can write it half of the square. But in this question, there no area will be no area will be half of the square. So if the area of the square greater than half, you can write 2 upon 3. If area of the square less than half, you can write 1 upon 3. That means one third of the area. So first you have to see, I denote here the area, all the area. But in your question you yourself denote that particular area. So keep in mind, just see critical bent of mind in this topographical sheet. Dear students, so look at this. This is less than half. So 1 by 3. This one also. This one. So count it all the things. This is 9. Ninth of the area is one third. So and two third only 2. And 4 of the area is complete square. So you can write like that. Number of complete square is 4, 4 in then 4 into 1 is 4. Okay. So number of one third squares is 9 as you counted earlier. So 9 upon 1 by 3 is 3. So number of 2 upon 3 squares is 2 into 2 upon 3. That means 1 upon 3 3. Then you have to add all these area. So total area is what? 431.33. That means 8.33 square kilometer. Dear students, this is the actual area enclosed by the gray circle, gray line. So I hope it is clear. Dear students, if any doubt, if anything you are unable to understand in this video, just go in a comment box of YouTube or in my class you can also chat the all the problem you have facing in this video. So thank you so much dear students. Keep watching my video. I will make you sure that your geography will be easy after watching this. So thank you so much.